So I'm getting ready to go and apply this to my face. No, the whole tutorial is not gonna be like this. I'm using this face, ignore Ava's cartoon. I'm gonna be putting this middle sticker on my face, and I'm kind of like gonna do like a Nubian type of makeup tutorial. I'm gonna put that literally right across my face like this as kind of like a little mask. And when I do that, you guys already know how to apply this. I'm just gonna line it up straight across my nose like that, and then I hope it turns out nice. I'm literally just winging this, and let's just go get started. Please excuse the music, but this is what I have so far. All I did was wash my face and I applied the sticker. I washed my face with some Savannah Bees Savannah Bees volcanic ash cleanser. So that made my skin feel a little bit dry. And then I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize with this illuminating moisturizer from Elf. And we're gonna do some highlighting under our base. So let's get started.